Okay, we are going to look at some letters of the alphabet, and I'm going to ask you some questions about them, okay? Can you leave the paper still and look at it? All right. Ouch. Wrong color. It's easier to see this one, it's a little darker. Okay, so first we're going to start up here, and I want you, to tell me as many letters as you can. Okay, starting here, and I'll point. Ready?
I don't need to point. I know how to do
Okay,
it.
do you want to point? I need somebody to point to make sure we don't lose track, because we don't want to accidentally skip any or repeat any, right? So do you want to point, or would you like me to point? How about I'll point? Thank you. Here we go. Ready? Tell me the letter.
A, S, L, G, F, C, B, E, R, G, T, Y, U, H, J, M, C, P, K, B, Q, W. It's getting too much this one.
Oh, sorry. Can you still do it though? Okay.
A,
Say it nicely.
N, O, L, X, L.
Is that it?
Yes?
Oh, okay. Now we're gonna do the other set of the alphabet. Do you know what these are called? What are these called?
The lowercase.
Lowercase letters. Nice job. And what were these called?
Uppercase.
Yes. All right. Here we go. Ready? Just tell me the letter.
A, S, B, F, C, D, E,
All right. Oh, I'm sorry. You're right. There was one more.
E, R, T, me, G, T, Y, U, H, J, M, G, P, K, E, G, W, N, O, I, X, L, A, G.
Okay. Cool. We did the letters. Now guess what is next? Do you have any idea? We are going to do our sounds. Okay? Okay. So let's start big up here. I just want you to tell me the sound that letter makes, okay?
A, S, D, S, B, E, R, G, Ch. I don't know.
Take a guess.
What?
It's a good guess. Take a guess.
Up. Yeah. Z. Z. Up. O. E.
Say that one again.
E. I don't know.
Oh, it's okay. Just try, have a guess. Do that one again.
E.
Oh, and that's the end. All right, and just for fun, I want to see if you can get any of these with their sounds, okay? Okay, here we go. Let me do this up here. Here we go.
A. S. B. S. J. E.
Say it again.
E. She's
I know, the paper keeps going everywhere. Okay, here we go. Ready?
Mm-hmm. B. T. One. Up. J. Z. Up. O. E. X. E.
Say it nicely, please.
G.
And, oh, that was it. All right, and which ones again were uppercase letters? And which ones were lowercase letters? Nice job. That was it. Pretty easy, huh? All right, thank you. We're gonna move on to something else.